Hello, my name is Som Siddharth Bhosle. I have completed MSc CET and I studied Vedic Maths course from Walnut Excellence Education from Ayush Achievers Academy. It helped me a lot in doing calculations more accurately, especially in MHT CET, where time is a crucial point in which 150 questions are done in 3 hours. The special use of Vedic Maths is in chemistry's mole concepts or chemical equilibrium questions, where complicated questions are done in minimum time in more accurately, and it also helps in 10th standard, especially in 12th boards maths paper, where we have to check the answers. जहाँ पे हमें आंसर्स वापस चेक करना होता है, वहाँ पे वैदिक मैथ्स बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है, स्पेशली IXI मेथड और ऊर्ध्व तिर्यक मेथड, जो मोस्ट कॉमनली सारी जगह अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड स्पेशली ऑल्सो स्क्वायर मेथड एंडिंग विद डिजिट 5. थैंक यू Walnut Excellence Education and Ayush Achievers Academy, especially Ritu.